Hello children, welcome to English grammar class. So the first chapter in the grammar is that is the sentences. Okay, sentences you might be all of you knowing about the sentences now. That is the group of words which gives the complete sense is termed as a sentence. ಅಂದರೆ group of words ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಓದಿದಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ Sita is a beautiful girl. Okay. Ram and Sham are friends. Okay. So here the group of words, that is the group of words. Here Sita is one word, is in one word, A is one word, beautiful one word, and girl in one word. So these group of words, when written in a proper manner and in an arrangement manner, then it is going to give a correct meaning for you. So this is well understood. Sita is a beautiful girl. Okay. So group of words ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅದು ಡಬ್ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗಾದರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, then it is not said as a sentence. Okay, group of words that is it gives a complete sense, then it is known as a sentence. So now let us go for the kinds of sentences. Okay, so there are 4 kinds of sentences. In the first one is that is declarative or assertive sentence. Okay, so here declarative or assertive sentence means a sentence which tells about the fact, ನಿಜಾಂಶ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ ಇದ್ದದ್ದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಅಸರ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್, then such type of sentences are termed as assertive or the declarative sentence. For example, that is planets revolve round the sun. Okay, first example. Second one, birds build nest. So this is true now, right? This is the fact we are telling. ಯಾವುದು ನಿಜಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, then that is means that is giving the assertion. Okay, there is a table in the room. If at all the table is in the room, then that type of sentence is termed as the assertive or the declarative sentence. Here planets revolve around the sun, so that is the fact, you know everyone, and the birds build nests, right? So this is the fact we are telling. So these two are the very good examples for declarative or the assertive sentence. So now going for the second one, which is the second one. Second one is that is the imperative sentence. Imperative sentences. So these imperative sentences, in a sentence which carries command, request, wish and curse. Okay, a sentence which carries command, request, wish and curse. Curse ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಶಾಪ ಹಾಕೋದು. ವಿಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವಿಶ್ ನೌ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಸಾರಿ, ಅದೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್. such type of sentences are known as imperative sentences. A sentence which carries the command. For example, okay, go and sleep. Don't pluck the flowers in the garden. Sit there. Shut up. So these are all comes under the command. When such type of sentences are there, when sentences carries commands, then it is an imperative. Example for request. May I come in, madam? Can I use your pen, please? Can I have your pen please? Can I have your book please? Can I use your scooter please? Like that. So that is the requesting word. When the sentence carries such requesting words, then that is termed as the imperative sentence. Next, wish. May you do well in the exam. May your future be good. May God bless you. That is the wish. Okay. So when we are going to wish, that comes under the imperative sentence. And curse. May you not do well in your future days. May you not do well in your exams. ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಶಾಪ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ imperative sentence. Now going for the third one, that is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So in the interrogative sentence usually carries that is about the questioning sentences, where we find the WH words. That is WH words ಅಂದ್ರೆ why, when, where, which. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ವೇರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಬೀನ್, ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ such type of sentences are there, when the sentences are in the form of questioning, ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಇಂಟರೋಗೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವೇರ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು, how are you, like that. Okay, so here one more further, that is how. Usually questioning sentences starts with WH words. WH words are when, where, which, why, like that. Okay, so this is the examples for the interrogative sentence. And now going for the exclamatory sentence. Okay, exclamatory sentences are those sentences. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which tells about the sudden feelings, emotions. Okay, that type of sentences are termed as exclamatory sentences. Usually these exclamatory sentences are marked by ಒಂದು ನಾಮ ಒಂದು ಚುಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, like this, right, like this. Okay, for example, that is Alas, I lost my pen. Okay, hooray. We won the match. Okay, like this. So this type of sentences, when you find that is about, that is the sudden feelings. That is, alas, I lost my pen. Oh, hooray, we have won the match. ಅಂತ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಡನ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲಮೇಟರಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 you are going to find rearrange the following words to form the meaningful sentences. Okay, so first while writing the sentence, you need to start the sentence with capital letters. Okay, you need to start with capital letter. That is, for example, see here now rearrange. Burger was Janice yesterday's house. Start with Janice. Okay, Janice house was burgled yesterday. And burgled ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಳ್ತನ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. Leaving tomorrow, James and Henry will London for. So you are going to start the sentence with James. Okay, James and Henry will be leaving tomorrow for London. James and Henry will be leaving tomorrow for London. Okay. You who are. Start with who. Who are you? And the sentence ends with a question mark. Okay. Now, scientist was great at Einstein. Start with Einstein. Okay. So now here Einstein comes first. Einstein was a great scientist. Einstein was a great scientist. Next, start with what? What a beautiful painting it is. Okay, and also you are going to at the end you are going to put exclamatory mark there. Next one, late to it never is. Okay, it is never too late. Okay, you are going to write this in a proper manner in your English classwork book. Okay, right? So after that, you need to write about the types of sentences. I'm going to tell you what to write. Okay. So now here the exercises they have given about the sentences. So if you go to page number 8, see there they have written that is about the all about this one sentence. Rewrite the sentences given below as exclamatory using how or what. Okay, how or what it means. Yuvraj is a good fielder. What a great fielder Yuvraj is. So ಇದೇನಿದು ಯುವರಾಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲಮೇಟರಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ ಯುವರಾಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪುಟ್ ಒನ್ exclamatory mark there. Suniti sings very well. How well Suniti sings. Put an exclamatory mark. You are a great dancer. What a great dancer you are. Put an exclamatory mark. Shahrukh is a popular actor. What a popular actor Shahrukh is. After that, exclamatory mark. You are wearing a gorgeous saree. What a gorgeous saree you are wearing. Okay. So, this is about the sentences. Okay, I am going to continue in the next part. Okay, so thank you.